Hello guys, what is going on? If you live in Scotland, put a comment. This is in January. Wait. Where's my phone? Where did I just put? Oh, I've got my phone in my hand. Look at that. It's like bloody snowing. How would you get that in Scotland? There's even no cars. You know what's going on. Let me just change the camera. But I don't think you can see snow. Wait a minute. Just gonna take my curtain down. Yeah, I was playing a game of FIFA. FIFA's my life. Yes. Look at that. Yeah, so I'll make another video when it's lighter so you can see it properly. And this video will be up in like 4 minutes probably. Yeah, so